Is your software pathing failed due to the MSO library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. This DLL file is the shared resource library for Microsoft Office. It contains the common UI components, document handling logic, and localized resources used by Word, Excel, and Outlook to ensure a consistent Office experience. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. The MSO library DLL is bundled directly with Microsoft Office rather than being a standard Windows system file. Reinstalling the latest version of Microsoft Office is the most reliable way to restore this specific dependency safely. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the MSO library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Installing an unverified version of the MSO library DLL is a common security pitfall that can inadvertently bypass your system's built-in execution safeguards and firewall. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. If background issues persist, the recommended software below outlines maintenance concepts related to the MSO library. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped your Microsoft Office workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.